Hey everybody, welcome once again to Pyrus Intelligence video. Today we're going to be talking about how to bend aluminum. So I'm going to be having a next series of videos, very short clips, for you to see how you can do this on your own if you don't want to hire somebody. The only thing you do need to make sure is that you have some way of transporting a brake, or an aluminum bender, like this one, from your closest rental place, or pay the extra charge to have it delivered to you. Today we're going to be using a Mark II Trim Master. I've rented this one from the Home Depot. I'm not going to be doing a big job, it's just a small job, so I'll probably rent it for 4 hours. It'll probably cost me about 50 to 60 bucks. If I rented it for the whole day, it probably cost me about 70 to 80 dollars. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the machine. This here is what they call the brake. If you look at the mouth of the bender, it opens and closes as I move this handle. So when you move it towards you, it opens it up to slide your aluminum inside. And as I move the handle away from me, it locks it in place. You give it a good push, and now it's perfectly locked in place. The handlebar at the bottom is what you use to now bend your aluminum to the different angles that you want. Now let's say my aluminum is too wide. This one here, as you can see, it's about 4 inches wide. Now let's say I want to remove an inch on it. I only want to work with a piece that's 3 inches wide. It could happen if you've bought aluminum that is 16 or 24 inches wide and you only want to work with something that is 6 inches, you'll have to cut it. Or you have a roll that's 24 inches and you want to cut it in half at 12 in order to do twice as long of a project. You can do this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my aluminum inside and I'm going to measure 1 inch on the end of my aluminum. Measuring tape, I'll put it up against the mouth of the brake at 1 inch, and I'll make a small line. Do the same on the other side. Put it to 1 inch, make a small line. Now all I got to do is push my brake away from me and make sure I'm on my line on both sides. Lock it in place. Now that it's locked in place, I need to cut my aluminum. Now they have devices that you can put on your brake which have 2 wheels. It's a knife. One wheel grabs into the back of the machine and the other one hangs over the end, and all you got to do is roll it along and it'll slice it for you. If you don't have one of those and you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can take your Olfa knife with a really sharp blade, only make your blade come out about 1/4 of an inch, and run it right along the mouth of your brake. That's it. One sharp cut. And now by you bending it, you're able to take it off. Now I'm ready to unlock my brake. And here's the piece that I'm ready to work with.